Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Bigo Live. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Bigo Live application. Go to your profile in the bottom left corner. Here, click on the settings icon in the top section of your screen. Then tap on blocked list option. Here, click on the circle icon of the person that you wanna unblock. And if you're sure, click on the remove button. So that is how you can unblock someone on Bigo Live application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.